In this video, I'd like to discuss post. Post can be used for either creating custom posts and polls or for purchased kits. If we're in an estimate in control looking at the post product, the first thing we come to is an option between either a custom post or a kit post. If we're going to do a custom post, the first thing it wants to know is how many sets, and then what type of post. The vertical post, typically the ones in the ground. What kind are we using? How many do we need per set? And then the length above ground for those posts. If there's a topper or a finial, you can choose that. Put on an acorn finial. The horizontal post, we'll say we need 2 horizontal posts for the top and bottom connecting it, and those are going to be 36 inches long. The caps, we don't really need caps in this situation because both of these posts are going to be between these other 2 posts. But if it was just a 1-post hangout, you may want to put a cap at the end of it. Any additional posts, these can be support posts. Hardware, in this particular case, we need some corner angles, and we're going to need 4 per set. Based off of these numbers, it is telling you how long it assumes it will require to assemble, and this is for both of them. How it's going to be installed, and if the holes, the diameter of the hole, which is defaulted based off the material, the post type, and the depth below ground. In this case, the post is going to be 60 inches above ground and 24 inches below ground, for a total of 84 inches. The cubic feet, in this case, is 7 inches by the 24-inch depth. If we need to add concrete or Quikrete, based off the bag size, it will figure out how many bags are required, based off the cubage footage of each hole. Now that we have the concrete chosen, the outsource is for any additional items that you may want to add. If you need to purchase or rent a post hole digger, for example. Now that we've chosen the posts that we need, to the right you'll see we have an option to paint those posts. The primer, and then the post itself. Typically you have a post and a post trim. The post refers to something that will be quickly added, such as rolled or sprayed on, without much detail. The trim is for more detailed work. And then an overcoat. The color match, it refers to if it needs to reflect a specific color. Now that we've gone through creating a custom kit, your other options really are the kit itself. This is fairly simple. All it requires is how many kits and the kit type. Additional add-ons are the user add-ons or modifiers that are the questions that can be added to these products as you wish. Notes on work order only prints on work orders, whereas the estimate and invoice description prints on both estimates, invoices, and work orders. This concludes our post-product overview. If you have further questions, please refer to our other videos or contact Sirius Implementation Department. Thank you.